This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Whitehall move-in ready. Low maintenance end-unit townhome with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, attached rear loading 2-car garage. This 3-level townhome offers so much. On the main level, you will find a light and bright bedroom and a well-appointed full bath. The second floor offers lots of natural lighting with a wide-open design and beautiful wood flooring, an awesome kitchen with a massive island, dining area, family room, powder room, huge pantry. This home provides the perfect layout with plenty of opportunities to spread out. The top floor features a primary bedroom with an ensuite bath with double vanity, tile shower, and huge walk-in closet. And an additional bedroom which also has an ensuite bath and walk-in closet. What an amazing floor plan! The low monthly fees include a community pool, clubhouse, children's playground, tennis courts, multi-purpose athletic field, and walking/biking trails. You will fall in love with this amazing home. Come live the good life in Whitehall. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-220-9500.